Hey guys, in today's video, I'll walk you through how to launch your very own NFT collection on Taiko using Mintpad. And the best part, it's completely free for creators to use. Let's dive right into it. At the top right corner of the homepage, you'll see a create button. Go ahead and click that. The next step will be connecting your wallet. Mintpad supports several wallet options here. But for today's tutorial, let's use MetaMask. You'll be prompted to sign a message to confirm your wallet connection. Simply approve that. So after connecting your wallet, up here we have a lot of networks to choose from. For this example, let's use Taiko. So now you'll be asked to choose the type of collections you'd like to create. You'll see three options. We have editions, drops, and generative art. For this example, let's go ahead and go with editions. Now let's set up the basics of your NFT collection. Let's type in the name here, and for the token symbol, Mintpad will suggest one for you, but feel free to change it to match your brand. And now for the project description, let's go ahead and write a short summary of the project. It could be the vision, it could be the story, or whatever you like. So there will be three options to upload your collection. We got HTTP, IPFS, and artwork. For this example, we'll be uploading our collection through artwork. After we have uploaded this beautiful looking NFT, let's go ahead and put the edition size. So this is the total number of the NFTs in your collection. And of course, the creator rewards or the protocol fee. So this is the total amount that the user has to pay to mint a new NFT from your collection. Let's put 0.1 here. And now let's click advanced options to unlock more customization. So here we have 6 different phases. We have public, close, pre-sale, end date, drop and end date. For this example, we'll use public. Now for the reserve tokens, here you can reserve a portion of the supply for your team. You can do giveaways or early supporters. For this example, let's put 10 reserve tokens. We also have here on-chain affiliation for commission, on-chain affiliation for discount, and max per wallet. So this setting lets you define how many NFTs each wallet is allowed to mint. By default, it's set to 0, which means we can mint as many NFTs as we like. So if you want to set a limit, simply put the number here. For example, if I put 3 here, no one can mint more than 3 from the collection. But for this example, let's put this back on the default. We also have on-chain description here, which is optional. We also have mint NFTs at creation, which is optional. So you can optionally send one or multiple NFTs to the specified addresses during the creation of the collection. So here we have revenue distribution. So this allows you to customize how to distribute the revenue you receive from selling the items in your collection. You can choose as many wallets as desired, but by default, the only wallet listed will be yours with a total amount. You can also edit the percentage here, and if we don't put any wallet here, 100% of the revenue will go to the original wallet. So here we have regular or soulbound collection. If the button is green, then that means our collection will be regular, meaning NFTs can be transferred. However, if the button is purple, it means our collection will be soulbound, meaning NFTs cannot be transferred after minting. For this example, we want our collection to be regular. Here you can choose the percentage of your royalties or the secondary sales. Let's go ahead and put 5%. And here we have placeholder or review metadata. Also here we have predicted collection contract address. So this is our current address. However, if you like to generate a new one, simply click generate new address. And before we deploy to Taiko, let me remind you that all of these tools and features are still free to use while you're working on the Taiko through Mintpad. Let's go ahead and click deploy now. So confirm it to your MetaMask. Congratulations! You've successfully deployed your NFT project, Taiko NFT. Let's go ahead and click the project dashboard. So as you can see here, we have a lot of things going on. We have overview, mint page, mint settings, earnings, airdrop, whitelist, task, ownership, and many more. But for this example, I want you to focus on this Minton page. So here we have logo image, featured image, and banner image. All of these will be customizable according to your preference. And for the final part, let's go ahead and visit our minting page. And that's it, guys. You've successfully launched your NFT collection on Taiko using Mintpad. Again, it's completely free, no code needed, and it's super easy to use. And that's it for me today. Till next time, peace.